In this video, I'm going to show you how to access remote support from the 2020 Office applications. When contacting our customer success team, it may be necessary for one of the agents to log onto your computer in order to troubleshoot and repair any issues you are having with the 2020 Office software. If you are using version 2019.2 or later of the software, the Help menu now includes an option that will allow you to initiate a remote support session. This feature provides the customer success specialist with temporary access to your PC. The steps to access remote support in 2020 CAP and 2020 CAP Complete are nearly identical. When you are in 2D drafting and annotation mode, also known as the ribbon view, select the 2020 Help ribbon, then Support, and then Remote Support. You may receive a user account control prompt asking if you would like the application to make changes to your device. If so, please select Yes. You will see a small window open indicating Allow Remote Control. Your ID and password will populate automatically. Provide that information to your customer success agent. And after completing the call, simply click on the X or click on Cancel to end the remote session. Immediately, a web browser will open with a customer support experience survey, which you can complete in order to submit feedback on your phone call. In Classic View, click on the 2020 Office pull-down menu, then Help, and then Support, and then Remote Support. For all our Giza users, from the Help pull-down menu, or click the button on the toolbar. And when you're in Worksheet, from the Help pull-down menu, or click the button on the toolbar. And those are the steps to start a remote support session with the 2020 Office applications.